Good morning, we are here in Upper Hill. So one of our project is called Altura. Today we're gonna be selecting the paint interior and exterior. So today I'm gonna be teaching you how to select your paint colors. So I have like 5 considerations I consider before I select paint colors. First consideration is your tones. So in your color charts, you have your warm tones and your cold tones. So in your color charts, it's always like have the saturation, the tones gauge in like left or right. So when you're going to the right directions, you are leaning towards warm. So what are these warm colors? These warm colors are like your beige, your red, yellows. Those are your warm colors. And what are your cold colors? These are like your blues, your white, and also your grays. So second consideration is your saturation. Again, your saturations, what are the things that you need to consider? You need to consider where is your sunrise and your sunsets, because it affects the color of your paints on your walls during sunrise and also sunset. So you have to consider where is the sun rising and where is the sun setting. Number 3 is the tinge, or what type of your glazing. So is it like heavily tinged glaze or a clear glaze, or now you have the smoky glass glazing. So you have to consider this type of glazing because it affects the color of your walls or your paints. So maybe you see your paint charge like perfectly blending with your color scheme, but then if you go to the site, it changes. Why? It's because of the tinge or what type of glass they've used on your glazing. So number 4 is the texture. The texture of the wall, it can affect as well the color and the application on the wall. So it affects the color, the appearance, the total appearance of the paints in the wall. And lastly is the finish or the aura of the paint. So we have like the gloss finish. Next is your satin finish, and now is you have your matte pneumatic paint. So those are the 5 considerations in selecting your paints interior, especially in your interiors. And also for your exteriors, I really suggest to have a texture and more of a glossy finish so that it hides imperfections, and also it's more practical when it comes to cleaning the walls exteriors. So that's it. I hope it helps a lot, this short video. So see you next time. Bye!